Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with a clean range because slicers depend on clear headers, otherwise filters misbehave. Select a cell inside your table, then open Data and pick Slicer to immediately insert the control. Once the slicer appears, choose the column you want a filter by. This determines what values show in the widget. Do this now so you can interactively test choices. Making this initial selection speeds the rest of the setup and prevents misapplied filters later. Now configure the slicer so it behaves the way you need. Open the slicer settings in the sidebar and pick the column explicitly. This defines the value list. Make sure to enable multi-selection if users should pick more than one value and turn on the search box for long lists. Once done, set the filter type, choose values or conditions, and, if required, connect the slicer to other ranges or charts so multiple visuals update together. This makes exploration coherent across. Finish by testing. Click various slicer values and clear filters to confirm tables and charts update correctly. Make sure your visuals reflect intended aggregation. If not, revisit the range or data types. If you plan big edits, create a filter view or duplicate the sheet first so you can roll back without losing work. One key troubleshooting tip: if the slicer shows unexpected blanks or missing items, check for hidden rows, inconsistent types, or stray spaces. Cleaning those fixes most slicer problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.